Hey guys, we've got some really exciting news on a project that we've been working on for a long time. We've been working on a brand new concept that isn't available anywhere else in the world right now. From seed to table is exactly what it sounds like. We sell you a seed, you grow the tree, and then we custom build you a table from that tree. Now, I know what you're thinking.
Won't that take a long time?
The average lead time for these tables is 147 years, which is perfect. It gives you plenty of time to work out leg details, wood finish, and the size of your table.
What if I need a table now?
We recommend using your current table until yours is grown and built.
What if I've never grown a tree before?
The only thing you need to worry about is making sure your tree is well nourished. Now that you're ready to start growing your table, all you have to do is head over to jeffmacksupply.com and purchase your seeds. But wait, there's more. If you order in the next 10 minutes, we'll double your order and you'll get 2 seeds for the low price of $5,000.